We are asked, what is the height of the sunflower? So pause this video and think about it. All right, so let's see. The bottom of the sunflower is right aligned with the bottom of the ruler. So the ruler is in the right place. And let's see, the sunflower goes all the way up to this point right over here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then a little bit more. So we're going to get to a fraction. So what is this extra amount? So if we can see, the space between 5 and 6 is divided into 4 equal sections. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you could see it here. They've divided with these little hash marks into 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sections. And this goes one of those 4 equal sections towards 6. So this is 5 1/4 feet. That's how tall the sunflower is. All right, let's do another example. So here we are told, or we are asked, which pencil measures 2 3/4 of an inch? So pause this video and try to think about it. All right, so we go 1 inch, 2 inches, and then we have to think about how far between 2 and 3 is 3/4. So to think about 3/4, we have to divide the part of this ruler between 2 and 3 into 4 equal sections. So let's see. If I were to just split it like this, that's 2 equal sections. So if I were to take each of those 2 equal sections and then split them, now that's 4 equal sections. Notice, 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sections. So when we're thinking about 3/4, we want to go 3 of those 4 equal sections. 1, 2, 3. And so you can see right over here, that is 2 3/4. This is 2 3/4 right over here. And that is pencil A.